Welcome back, everyone. Chef John joins us in the kitchen today with a couple friends, Angie and Elias from Cooks on the Curb, making something really yummy, pimento grilled cheese and basil tomato soup. Thanks for being here today, guys.
Thanks for having us.
So now tell us about Cooks on the Curb. You said this is actually started as a food truck.
We started as a food truck focusing on our pimento cheese.
Okay.
Everyone loved the pimento cheese, so we have gone from that to just making our two flavors of pimento cheese.
Okay, now this will be showcased this weekend in an event in Turkey Creek. Tell us about that.
Yes, it's called Taste of Turkey Creek.
Okay.
And we will have a booth out there featuring these lovely little hors d'oeuvres right here. And come on out and vote for us.
Yeah, and the money goes to a great cause,
It
too.
does. It goes to the Pat Summit Foundation.
Okay, well, so now you're going to make some of this today, right? I'm going to scoot over and let you come over here. Show us how we get started first.
Okay, so this all starts with really good bread. So
Okay.
we're going to make, this is essentially a grilled cheese made with spicy pimento cheese, bacon, and arugula.
Yum.
So Elias is buttering the bread,
Okay.
both sides. Don't be afraid.
So you're
you
being
know,
generous with the
this
butter.
is
That's
like,
good.
we use more butter than Paula Deen on this one. On this
Well,
one.
you got to.
Just on this sandwich. Okay, and then we're going to flip them over.
Okay.
And then he's going to load on the cheese.
And this is our spicy pimento cheese, and
Okay.
it has habanero, chipotle, and jalapeno in it.
Yum. Now you have a lot of different flavors? Or
We
is this
have our
just a specialty?
classic, which
Okay.
is just original, and then the 3 alarm spicy.
Okay.
Perfect. Next, bacon.
Okay.
I'll take that out of your way. Go ahead.
Now throw some bacon on there. We all love bacon.
Yum. That looks delicious.
Yeah, we don't want to go cheap on the bacon.
Okay.
And this is going over a tomato bisque that we'll be making in-house at the Cutting Edge Classroom.
Okay.
And it's got a lot of, it's got fresh tomatoes roasted
Okay.
and herbs and everything. It's really, really good
Oh,
with the
looks
cheese.
delicious.
It complements the sandwich.
Yeah.
Then the top goes on,
Okay.
and then onto the griddle.
Alrighty. I'll let you do your thing over
Did a
here. What do you
great
got coming
job.
up at the classroom?
Oh, we've got a ton of classes coming up. We've got we don't have a date night this Friday because we have the Turkey Creek event,
Right.
and that's 1,500 people will be serving these two.
Wow.
So
that's
we're
a
making
lot of people.
1,500, and then we have some classes on the weekend
Okay.
going on, and
Okay.
a bunch of other stuff. So.
All right. So tell us a little bit more about the event. Do you need to buy tickets, or how does that work?
They have tickets available, I think, on Eventbrite and probably on their Facebook page.
Okay.
They usually sell out every year, so you want to get those. It's hard to get them at the door.
Yeah.
Usually you can't. So
Okay, so don't wait.
It's
Make
always
sure
a
you
good
get
idea.
them fast.
Yeah.
All right, so back to this pimento cheese here. How long do you leave it on each side? What's the...
Just till it browns off a
Okay.
little bit.
All right.
And then you could always flip it again. It takes a little while to get melted, so you have to kind of be patient. You don't
Yeah.
want the griddle too hot. And then let it set a few minutes after you get it off of there so the cheese kind of melts into everything, and then cut
Well, it looks
it.
amazing.
and
And
eat
there
it.
you go.
Yeah,
And that's how it
there it
looks
is.
when it's all put together. And you said that you're going to be making the soup in the classroom.
We're making the soup in the classroom for this
Okay.
event, yep, and we're going to be using Angie's cheese, both types of cheese, so we'll have spicy and regular.
Okay.
And we'll be doing the grilled cheese on site, and it's going to look
Perfect.
just like that
There
when
you
we're
go.
serving to guests at
Well,
the
make
event.
sure you come out and see them. Hey, thanks for being here today,
Thanks
guys.
for
We
having
us.
appreciate
Thanks, it was a pleasure.
Good job. I can't wait till that's finished. We're going to have this recipe on our website, too, at WBIR.com.